Okay, danggabi po sila po. Ito po ano lang po ito. It's confirmed already. Third place o second place round-up na po ang team QR Towers. Alipit po. Ito pa para i-douse na lang po ito. Ha? Winner by default na po ang QR Towers. Ito parang ilalaro na lang po nila. Congratulations po QR Towers. Bigyan po sila ng 30 minutes. Hinati na lang yan ha. Hinati na lang po. Winner by default na pong QR Towers po. I repeat po. Sama ng lagi. Talagang Iyan. Ayan. Ayan ako lang ha. Okay. Velasco. Pasensya na po sa lighting condition na ito. Nasa Sudic kasi tayo. Yung yung pagka-green kasi ng tsaka pati yung green ng ilaw din. Naghalo na. Ba. Bigay sila ng 30 minutes. 30 minutes to play. Yan. Makakuha sana ni Eric yan, si Irwa. Ang ganda ng center niya. Stable ng center niya. Huwag na lilipad. Balipad yata ito eh. Milipad ito eh. Papawis na lang po ito. I repeat, papawis na po ito. It's already been declared that QR Towers already they won the third place or yung second runner up na po sila. Forfeit po kasi yung in-flights. Kulang po kasi. Kaya tinatawagan po natin po ang susunod na team na maglalaban. Yan po ang AU tsaka CAS. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Where na you? Dito na mi. Maaga po kayo magsisimula. On time kayo magsisimula. Yan, Maki. Irwa. Nope. Kamis, nag-rebound. Kamis. Walang pumipito ha. You have to call your own foul. Call your own foul. Walang pumipito sa inyo. Call your own foul. Smith nandyan. Hindi nagdaro siya na si D. Hindi makali. Cassie Perez is watching. For information po, team flights already forfeited. Therefore, QR Towers is the winner of this ball game. Therefore, outright po sila po as second runner-up na po ng ligang ito. Kaya congratulations to QR Towers for winning the game. Yan. Ano na lang to? Call your own foul. Call your own foul. Walang pumipito sa inyo. Call your own foul. Bang-foul ka kung ano. Nope. Philip. Hirwa. Bakiano. No good. Rebound by Kamis. Darko. Ako, duko sa ilalim, wala. Iyan, 3 points. Steve Aruga is watching. Thank you po, sir. Nakapang.
Captain James. Philip Villanova. Nice pass to something.
AJ. No good.
Rebound, Villanueva.
Ian. Wala.
Velasco. There you go. No. Velasco.
Velasco, 2 points. 30 minutes na binigay sa kanila para magpapawis.
Philip.
Kaya calling all the next players po, Cass and Airport United. Where na you? Dito na me. Championship na.
Miss now. Villanueva. Naman.
Tumawag ka ng foul, ha?
Merewa. Merewa.
Uy! Patay, botike.
No rebound for this.
Bakoy, 2 points.
2 points.
2 points, Bakoy. Sir Philip. No good.
Rebound on 10.
Pakiano.
Merewa.
Hirwa. No good. You have to call your...
Okay.
Isang referee.
Velasco. Tercer point de Villanueva. Very nice pass.
Okay, 2 points. Nice dish pass. Dish off by AJ. Makoy.
Velasco.
Makoy again.
Makoy.
Palpal.
Nice defense by Merewa.
Hirwa. Binaba ang bola.
Merewa. Pass to Baquiano.
Baquiano, 2 points. Baquiano, 2 points. 2 points si Baquiano. Pasok. Naibuslo.
Defense.
Tingnan tayo dito. Chill lang muna tayo dito. Mamaya, mapapasigaw tayo sa excitement. Kamis, difficult shot. Makoy. Darko. Nice pass. Nice play by Darko. Darko, 2 points. 14-11 score. Papawis league. Papawis mode lang po tayo. Papawis mode lang. Ian, AJ. Pops up. Nope. No good. Kamis. They need to charge. Kamis. Nice layup by Kamis. 2 points Kamis. Nice layup. Again, still by Kamis. Oh, dunk. Again, 2 points by the Kings. Back to back drive ni Kamis.
Villanueva. Uy!
Wala. Tukot, mali. Talangan ni pasa. Makoy naman. Makoy. Darko, malakas pero pumasok. Pasensya po yung lighting condition dito. Talagang ganito talaga dito. Walang hindi ma-adjust yung lighting. No good.
Same ball. 5. Merewa. Bola free. No. Villanueva.
Ian. Nope. Irwa. Nope. It's Makoy. Binato kay Kamis. Kamis. Dish off to Darko. No. Kamis. Thinking 2. Darko thinking 3. It's in. Darko 3-point in. 3 points. Bang.
Is brought to you by LBC. Harinang Pada. 2 points by
Hirwa, 2 points. Please take note po, QR Towers po is already outright third place na po sila or second runner up po. Winning via forfeit
No. Rebound.
by Team In-Flights. Kapag pa si AJ naglaro na sa In-Flights para may taos na yung papawis nito. Hirwa.
Hirwa. Stop and back now. Rebound Kamis.
Kamis. AJ.
Villanueva.
Nope.
Nice pass. Steal by Villanueva. Another steal by McCoy.
Bakoy. AJ.
Brilliant steal by McCoy.
90 minutes left. Nice.
Kamis.
Kamis thinking 3. Ayaw. May nagbabantay. Kamis,
Kamis.
driving strong.
Okay.
Tumama sa pa.
Substitution.
O, sa muna. Okay, si Talan papasok muna para sa pula. Then sa puti naman po, yan si number 18.
Okay.
O, sir.
Captain AJ. Dapat. Moving go.
James.
Time is running.
Pops up. Malakas.
No, rebound.
Talan.
Kamis.
Kamis.
O Darko.
Jargo.
Darko. Back to Kamis.
Kamis. Ayaw. Pops up.
Kamis.
Nope. Rebound di Hirwa na. Si Hirwa bumabanat ngayon. Hirwa. Driving strong. Hirwa. It's AJ. Bakiano. Wala. Talan. Velasco. Binabang bola. Velasco.
Velasco left-handed.
Naku, saan nilabas?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Darko, 2 points.
Jargo 2 points. Arinola shot. Hirwa.
Dribble skill. Nice peddling away. Yes, sir.
Pasok. Hirwa, pasok. Velasco, binababa ang bola. Velasco.
Pass to Darko.
Darko. No, it's Makoy. 2 points, Makoy.
2 points.
Makoy, 2 points.
Guarded by Darko. Oh, steal! Darko steal, and then another 2 points
2
by
points, Darko,
Darko.
2 points. Villanueva.
Mr. Villanueva for a play. Short pass to
Pasa pala, pasa yun. Hindi mo pasa. Darko, long ball.
Rebound Captain AJ.
Yan na. Hirwa, easy to. Yes, sir. Simple lang, para kay Hirwa ang laro. Velasco, binabang bola. Velasco, to Darko. Makoy, pops up. Bank shot pa binibigay. Bank shot po binigay ni Makoy. Sa papawis ito. Hop, buntik na. AJ, pops up. Bakiano, 2 points. Simple lang. And to Darko, to Mr. Velasco, the director.
Velasco, no.
Ito naman si AJ, to Ian. Ian, binaba kay Hirwa. Yes, sir, Hirwa. 3 points kagad, binatang Hirwa. Oh, careful.
Velasco
and Bakiano to number 18. Whoop. Wala. Talan naka-rebound. Talan, binabang bola. Talan, tingin 3. 14. No. Rebound by Kamis.
Try for 3.
No. Darko. Swipe to Mr. Talan. Darko again. 5 up. No again.
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao, pinatong ang bola kay Ian. Ian Villanueva.
Numbers 316.
Pops up, no good.
Villanueva. Kapit AJ.
AJ.
Let's go.
Walang pinasahan.
2-1. United States to once.
Nice one, Velasco.
AJ. Pass to Herrera. Herrera. For three. No. Rebound AJ. Pass to Herrera. Herrera.
Good ball, good ball, good ball. Kamis.
Gibbs. No. Rebound Makoy. Once.
2 points Makoy, 14 minutes remaining. Coop. Babagay na siya.
Villanueva, three. No. Out of bounds. Ball for Q Towers.
Change court.
Darko.
Darko. Velasco.
Velasco.
Velasco to
Pass to
Darko.
Darko. Kick out to Makoy. Makoy. Short rebound AG.
Bang.
Yes, sir. Long two. Halan.
Wala. Ayun, Velasco.
Yes, sir.
2 points. Velasco.
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao, eto na po tayo. Nice one.
Yes, sir. 2 points.
38-27 sa Papawis. 13 minutes remaining. Makoy. Darko for 3.
Darko. No. Rebound Pacquiao.
Pacquiao. Hirwa. Hirwa driving strong.
AJ. AJ Bates.
AJ, simple.
Yes, sir.
2 points. Simple shot. Simple shot.
Good. AJ to Pacquiao. 2 points.
2 points Pacquiao. Ayan naman siya.
Okay. Two points, no. Rebound. Velasco. Velasco drive. No. Rebound Gibbs. Darko. Pass to Velasco. Makoy. No. Rebound Herrera. Villanueva.
2 points Villanueva.
Makoy. No. Rebound Gibbs. Oy, out of bounds by Gibbs.
Wala.
Ball for in-flights.
In-flights.
Villanueva. Still in Makoy. Q Towers.
Push! Hirwa for 3. Nope. Pagod. Sir.
Sarap po natin.
Hindi, wag na. Isang.
Ayaw mo sa LBC? Sige.
Makoy.
Hindi, say ako.
Last 10 minutes.
Team LBC.
Finish.
Irwa, nagmamadali. So, sila. AJ, for 3. Nope. Makoy. Kamis to Darko. Darko, 2 points. Pops up AJ. Wala pa rin. Kamis, bigante na mapasahan to 8 to Makoy. Floater shot, pasok. Bakiano. Bakiano again. 2 points. Back 2 points. Bakiano 2 points. Talan. Velasco, the director. And Darko 2 points.
2 points para for
Okay, 8 minutes na lang po sa ating single quarter
Game is
papasok.
brought to you by LBC.
Ari ng padala. Hirwa. Nope.
Rebound
Talan. Darko again.
Darko.
Nope.
Rebound.
Tap from by Makoy. Yumubra, Ian Benriva. Patay ang butiki. Kamis.
Kimis, thank you, sir. 2 points, Mr. Kimis.
Wala.
AG, pass to Benriva. No, rebound Talan Kimis, stand to that. Stand to shot. Yes, sir. 2 points.
2 points. Stuffed. 7:45 remaining. Nope. Can Kamis to Darko. Darko again. 2 on 2. 2 on 2. Darko. Okay, 2 points, Darko.
2 points.
Simple left lang ni Darko. Yet effective. Nope.
Kimis, no.
Good na.
Uy, wala kami. Huwag mong sirain, ha? May championship pa kami.
Okay na, tumating na.
Talan. Short. Rebound. Makoy. To Kimis. Kimis, wala 3, no short. Rebound for 18.
Hirwa. Nope. Out of bounds. Balik sa pula. Balik. AJ.
AG.
Darko. Pops up. Long Tom. Yes, sirree. 2 points. 3 points. 3 points.
Breaking. No.
Again, Darko again. Darko, binabambola.
Darko stopping back. Now, rebound Gimes. Put back. Now, rebound AJ.
AJ, no good. Nice rebound by AJ. Ian, 2 points.
2 points.
Amis.
Gimes.
Power
Granted
move.
by AJ. Pass to McCoy.
No good, no good. 4 minutes remaining.
AJ. That's 4 minutes.
Hirwa.
Four. Villanova, 2 points.
2 points. Velasco. Hirwa. Nope.
Oh, rebound pa na. Gimes.
Amis.
Talan.
Talan.
Rebound McCoy.
Makoy,
2
2
points.
points. Bakiano. Hirwa. AJ. Nope. Darko.
McCoy, nice pass from Darko. Connection. Very nice. Warrior, another row. Rebound Gimes. Gimes. Oh no. Rebound. Darko. Darko to Gimes. McCoy, no. Rebound Darko. Darko is the top down. That's why Gimes. Ball in blanks. Okay, everyone, number 18, crossover. Number 18, black. Black by Minas. Tanan. Upward. Villanova, buwante din, upward. Ano ba yan? Yes, sir. 2 points.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay, congratulations, Q-Towers.
Congratulations, QR Towers. Second round po sila po. Maraming salamat po. Again, this is your aviation friend, Dapat Flying League. Finals na po tayo. And first game was taken already by QR Towers via forfeit. Nilaro lang po nila yan. Final score po is 56-37, pero still panalo na po ang QR Towers. Maraming salamat po. Again, mamaya po, post game po tayo dito.